कदंब येरादारी महामंडळाक इंधनाची पुरवण करपाक कदंबा आनी भारतीय तेल महामंडळ हांचे मदीं दीर्घकालीन करार जाला. वास्कोत ह्या दोनूय महामंडळाच्या पदाधिकाऱ्यांनी कराराचेर सयो केल्यो. ह्या वेळार कदंबाचे अध्यक्ष कार्लोस आल्मेदा आनी हेर महामंडळाचे संचालक हाजीर आशिल्ले. करारानुसार आयओसी कदंबाच्या बसीक इंधन पुरवठो करतले. एखाद्या महामंडळा कडेन आयओसीन केल्लो करार पयलोच प्रयोग आसा. आर्टिक्स गोवा वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
You talk what you have given and the facts that have been placed to us. Today it's a proud moment for us that KTC is tying up with IOC. IOC is such a big organization. This moment is a great for us. See, in two ways. KTC has made profits after 29 years. Now like back again. This is a tie-up. I of the tie-ups of the tie-up like the फायदा IOC. And we are the first STU in India who has had a tie-up with IOC or with any companies. Indian, all the states have got a state transport organization. They got tie-up kind of sir.
Doing savings on some fuel, because diesel, which we are filling the buses on manually, there was a lot of pilferage, lot of spillage and lot of wastage. So when we were looking out for some automation, IOC officials came out with an idea which was a God gift to us, which was presently required, and they have offered us free of cost this facility. So I would like to thank them, because nowadays nobody gives anything free of cost. A brief detail of what we are going to do is that it is a comprehensive depot fuel management inventories, whereby everything will be automized. The fuel that is required will be fed in the data. It will be put to the buses which require the exact number of fuel, and that will help us in saving. Because fuel is something that is being wasted. Even a drop counts a lot to KTC.
State government undertaking, two great organizations, they are joining hands, and we are signing the agreement for automation of all HSD pumps, depots, along with the supply of diesel for 5 years. And the agreement will be signed by my division manager, Mr. Jubin Garg, along with Mr. NATO Managing Director. Today's this small program, I really feel proud that all my press fraternity friends are present here, and probably they will highlight that the bonding between these two great organizations will be forever, and it will go beyond the way forward also. In our small program, Jubin will briefly describe what is about the brief performances of Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Probably all of you are aware that Indian Oil Corporation is the largest entrepreneurship as well as overall operation is concerned. It is the Fortune 500 is the 161th position. This is the highest ranking organization in our country. We are the largest transnational oil company, and we are supplying fuel right from the Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and from Goa to even at places like Aizawl or Shillong in the entire east of the India. And we feel really proud that, as Jubin was telling, myself is looking after the entire state of Maharashtra and Goa for all direct supplies, the fuels to the state transport units, who is the really the heartline for the public transportation systems.